How to change Microsoft Store language. This is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we will learn how we can change Microsoft Store language. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to go to your system device. Since Microsoft Store uses your system language, so in that case, you have to change your system language. So here in the search icon, search for settings and open up settings in your device. Under settings, head towards the time and language option, and here go to language in region. And here it says preferred language. Click and open it up. If the language is not there, you have to click on add a language, and from this language available, you have to select the language, then click on next. After that, the language will install, and once the language is installed successfully, now you can select that language as your preferred language in your system. Then once you change your language on the system, you could go and open up Microsoft Store in your device, and that will automatically change in Microsoft as well, or Microsoft Store as well, since the Microsoft Store uses your system language. And that's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.